Dikakanyo link, Ula ETS, Imikondo Emil, Dikakanyo link, Etihad Airways, from Abu Dhabi directly to King Shaka International Airport once a week. I think it would be a good idea since King Shaka has been directly connected to Dubai from its inception in 2010.
I'm Etihad's A380 and I'm back. I'm at the residence, the only 3-room suite in the sky. Your own bedroom, your own lounge, your own bathroom, with a shower. Let's talk about my food. Quality.
Because if you can check, from 2010, King Shaka was connected to only one country overseas, which was United Arab Emirates. It was only Dubai. Emirates Airlines has been there ever since. So I think it's time to introduce Etihad. Emirates, it's daily, it's very much active and it has been growing. So I think at Etihad, at least be connected to a second city in the United Arab Emirates before you add a third city, Sharjah. That's just my opinion. What do you think? I think it's a great idea. Etihad Airways from Abu Dhabi directly to King Shaka International Airport once a week. It doesn't even have to go via Oliver Regional Tambo. Just go directly to King Shaka International.
Ingredients from all over the world. Now seriously, on my plane, you'll dine brilliantly. Who's ready for some in-flight entertainment?
Welcome to Abu Dhabi. During your stay, be sure to visit the Louvre, Saadiyat Island and Liwa Desert.
Back to me. When you want to relax and socialise, this is the lobby. A lounge and bar in this double-decker plane. Yes, double-decker plane. And if you want to fly in style, why not try my first class? Making that trip from Abu Dhabi even more luxurious. Oh yeah, let me introduce you to the team. My onboard crew will make sure you have a truly unforgettable experience. So in conclusion, I'm the Etihad A380 and I'm flying to London and New York.
What do you think? I think it's a great idea because King Shaka International Airport is saving the third major city in South Africa, the third largest city, Durban. It's 35 kilometers north of the Durban Central Business District, and it has forever been regional, just international by name. So a few editions have been there, but they are not enough, considering that it's almost 2 decades that it has been in the bush alone. So I think it needs to be considered. At Abu Dhabi, it have 2 cities. In the United Arab Emirates, it will be more visible. People will see your efforts of relocating it further away from the city, far out in the bush. What do you think? I think it's a great idea. Because if you remove an important facility away from people, put it out in the bush, make it worth their while, make them see why it's there in the first place. They won't complain if they see improvement. King Shaka has the old Durban International, which was previously known as Leopold International, was always hanging under Jan Smuts International Airport, which post-apartheid was renamed Johannesburg International Airport. So even King Shaka, it still has that illness of hiding under Tambo. So I think it's time to shift to Etihad also. Have flights to Etihad, have flights to Abu Dhabi, have Etihad Airways. People will see why it's there because Etihad looks completely different, and to me it looks like, you see, I'm even wearing the colors of Etihad. They match Etihad. That is King Shaka International. Emirates has been there ever since its inception. That's Emirates. They came from Dubai. It's direct from Dubai. It has been there ever since. that it has dominated has been there ever since. It's really promising, but I think now it's time now. It's time. That's just my opinion. It's time to head Etihad. It will be more visible. It has been active, so I think now time has come. People have to see why it was relocated in the first place. It shouldn't always be international just by name. What do you think? I think it's a great idea. Consider that the two planes come from the same country, United Arab Emirates, but they look completely different. Etihad is more golden, Emirates it's white, but it does have gold printing, so it will stand out when people work, even general workers, they see Abu Dhabi, Dubai, they can see something's changing. Currently, they did add Qatar in Turkish. They failed with Polish, but with Club Med, I believe changes are going to happen. What do you think? I think it's a great idea. We're just going to watch it take off now. It still takes into the runway. Once I would take off, it runs very fast. Two planes which look completely different, they'll stand out. What do you think? Now it has taken off. It's in the sky. Yes.